Picture your Instagram feed as a story canvas. Craft a visual narrative, making each post a chapter that leaves your audience wanting more. Hashtags, the unsung heroes. Research and strategically use them to boost discoverability. Create a branded hashtag. It's like a digital signature that connects your content across the platform. Stories are your backstage pass to authenticity. Use polls, questions, and behind-the-scenes peeks to forge a deeper connection. Remember, imperfections make you relatable. Make Instagram your content hub. Share tutorials, interviews, and exclusive content for a captive audience. Collaboration is the key to expansion. Partner with influencers or fellow creators. It's a win-win. Exposure to new audiences and fresh, engaging content. Ads done right are not interruptions but experiences. Utilize Instagram's precise targeting for ads that seamlessly blend with organic content. Numbers don't lie. Dive into Instagram Insights for valuable data. Analyze, adapt, and watch your brand flourish. Now armed with these tips, go forth and conquer the Instagram game. Engage, inspire, and let the world double tap your success.